Connie Siu. Welcome to the series on performance measurement. The success of your business hinges on how well everyone works together in carrying out the mission-critical work. You need each person take ownership of his responsibilities. When individuals are clear on what they are accountable for and make conscious efforts to do what is needed to meet those objectives, you have conscious accountability. An effective tool to facilitate conscious accountability is performance monitoring. To create a culture of conscious accountability, leaders need to communicate, educate, and demonstrate effective performance monitoring. First, communication is about sharing the why of performance monitoring. It is impossible to tell if any work is done well without monitoring. Make it clear that the monitoring is not just on performance of individuals, but also on how well processes and rules are supporting or prohibiting progress. By communicating why measurement is needed and encouraging employees to be forthcoming in identifying problems, you engage them in helping the business succeed. The engagement also leads to better collaboration. Second, education is about training on the how, the common approach to measurement, reporting, and follow-up. Here I would like to emphasize the importance of establishing a common approach. It is needed for coherence across the organization, particularly for results that cross multiple departments. Consistency eliminates unnecessary conflicts. Education provides the foundational knowledge and awareness of how accountability is assigned. Third, demonstration is about having leaders role model the behaviors for communicating the performance goals, reviewing results, identifying actions for improvement, as well as holding themselves accountable for course correction. This takes discipline and commitment from the management team. The discipline needs to be cascaded to all working levels, so the demonstration component is crucial for replication. When everyone in their business is clear on the results they are accountable for, how they are monitored, and the need for ownership for action, you have a culture of conscious accountability. Employees become more at ease in sharing inferior results and causes. They won't sweep problems under the rug. Instead, they will step up to the plate and work with others to improve. Thank you for watching. I'm Connie Siu.